Hello everyone, welcome back at Take ET. Huawei Nova 6 5G is now confirmed to launch on December 5. Chinese media has now received invitation for a launch event, and this phone is tipped to be powered by the Kirin 990 chipset and pack a 4000 mAh battery. New teasers were also revealed on Weibo, and they confirmed that the phone will sport a dual-hole punch display with cutouts for two selfie cameras. The Huawei Nova 6 5G phone is also teased to sport Night Mode 2.0 and be able to capture 105-degree wide-angle selfies as well. A Chinese blogger has posted an invite of Huawei Nova 6 5G, confirming that the phone will launch in China on December 5. Huawei has posted several video teasers of Huawei Nova 6 5G on Weibo as well. One of the video teasers shows the Huawei Nova 6 5G sporting a dual-hole punch display, and it will be able to capture 105-degree wide-angle selfies. In a separate video teaser, the main camera is also said to have Super Night Scene 2.0 mode as well. However, the feature hasn't been detailed as yet, and only its arrival has been teased. A recent leak suggests that the Huawei Nova 6 5G will feature a 6.44-inch Full HD Plus IPS LCD 60Hz display and may be powered by the Kirin 990 chipset paired with 8GB and 12GB RAM options and 128GB and 256GB storage options. Huawei is likely to receive a license extension today from the US government that will allow it to continue to work with US companies. The US government placed the Chinese tech company on a blacklist earlier this year, preventing US companies from working with Huawei over fears that the Chinese government would use the company's equipment to spy on its customers. This has had major implications for companies such as Google, whose Android operating system Huawei licenses for its smartphones, as well as chip makers who supply parts for the phones. According to New York Times, Huawei's current license to work with US companies expired today. However, it is likely the US government will extend the license for a third time in order to continue trade discussions between the US and China. Well, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe this channel to get more updates. Till the next time.